the female reproductive system. It's a complex system, a delicate dance of hormones and organs, all working together to achieve one amazing goal: the creation of life. Understanding this system is not just about biology, it's about understanding ourselves, our bodies, and our potential. It's about knowing how to care for ourselves and appreciate the incredible power and resilience of the female body. We'll explore the organs involved, the menstrual cycle, the hormones that orchestrate this intricate dance, and the miraculous process of fertilization and implantation. So, buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey into the awe-inspiring world of the female reproductive system. Imagine the female reproductive system as a beautiful, intricate garden nestled within the pelvis. At the heart of this garden lies the uterus, a pear-shaped organ often referred to as the womb. Leading to the uterus are the fallopian tubes, delicate pathways resembling graceful, curving vines. These tubes serve as a conduit for the egg, gently guiding it towards the uterus with each cycle. At the end of each fallopian tube lies an ovary, a small almond-shaped organ responsible for producing eggs. Think of the ovaries as tiny treasure chests, each holding within it thousands of potential eggs. Protecting this intricate garden is the cervix, a strong muscular opening at the lower end of the uterus. Finally, we have the vagina, a muscular canal leading from the cervix to the outside of the body. The menstrual cycle. It's often the butt of jokes, the source of groans and complaints, and a topic often met with discomfort. But this monthly cycle is anything but mundane. It's a testament to the body's incredible ability to renew itself, a rhythmic dance of hormones and tissues, all working in perfect harmony. This cycle, typically lasting around 28 days, can be divided into 4 distinct phases. The first phase, menstruation, involves the shedding of the uterine lining, resulting in the familiar menstrual flow. While it might seem like a messy inconvenience, menstruation is actually a sign of a healthy, functioning reproductive system. Next comes the follicular phase, a time of growth and preparation. During this phase, the ovaries receive signals to begin maturing a new egg. The uterine lining, shed during menstruation, also begins to thicken again. Around day 14, the cycle reaches its peak with ovulation. This is the moment when a mature egg bursts forth from the ovary, ready to be swept into the fallopian tube. Finally, we enter the luteal phase, a time of anticipation and preparation. Section 4, Hormonal Harmonies, the Orchestra of the Cycle. Behind the scenes of this intricate cycle, a symphony of hormones is constantly at play. These chemical messengers, produced by various glands in the body, act as conductors, directing the orchestra of the menstrual cycle. One of the key players in this hormonal symphony is follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH. FSH is responsible for stimulating the growth of follicles in the ovaries. These follicles are tiny sacs, each containing an immature egg. As FSH levels rise, the follicles begin to mature, with one eventually becoming dominant. This dominant follicle then releases another key hormone, estrogen. Estrogen levels surge during the first half of the cycle, thickening the uterine lining. Around day 14, luteinizing hormone, or LH, triggers ovulation, causing the release of the mature egg. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, producing progesterone. Progesterone helps thicken the uterine lining, making it a hospitable environment for a fertilized egg. Section 5. The Miracle of Creation, Fertilization and Implantation. The moment of fertilization is nothing short of miraculous. If a sperm cell successfully journeys through the cervix, into the uterus, and up the fallopian tube, it may encounter an egg awaiting fertilization. This meeting of sperm and egg marks the beginning of a new life. Once fertilized, the egg, now called a zygote, begins a remarkable journey down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. Along the way, the zygote divides and multiplies, transforming into a cluster of cells called a blastocyst. Around 5 to 7 days after fertilization, the blastocyst reaches the uterus and burrows into the thickened wall, a process called implantation. Implantation marks the beginning of pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum begins to break down, and the uterine lining sheds, marking the start of a new menstrual cycle. Section 6, Beyond the Basics, PMS and the Emotional Rollercoaster. The hormonal fluctuations throughout the cycle can impact everything from our energy levels and mood to our sleep patterns and food cravings. One common experience for many women is premenstrual syndrome, or PMS. This collection of physical and emotional symptoms can range from mild to debilitating. While the exact causes of PMS are still not fully understood, it's thought to be related to the fluctuating levels of estrogen and progesterone during the cycle. These hormonal shifts can affect neurotransmitters in the brain, impacting mood, sleep, and other bodily functions. Some common symptoms of PMS include bloating, breast tenderness, headaches, fatigue, irritability, mood swings, and food cravings. Understanding the potential impact of these hormonal fluctuations is crucial for women's overall well-being. Section 7. Celebrating the Feminine Design, Understanding and Empowerment. The female reproductive system is a marvel of nature, a complex and intricate system that deserves to be understood and celebrated. By demystifying the menstrual cycle and exploring the roles of key hormones, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. It's about listening to our bodies, recognizing the signals they send, and seeking support when needed. Let us continue to learn, share our experiences, and celebrate the incredible design of the female reproductive system.